Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. So right now I'm in my kitchen. So today I'm going to make dinner. Okay. So आज मैं आपको बताऊंगा small action word, ठीक, small action word that you can also use while cooking. Okay. And so please watch this video till the end. Okay. I'm going to knead the flour and I will show you the process from step by step, from starting to end. Okay. How many action words you can use while kneading the flour. Okay, so the first thing that we need, if I want to knead with flour, if I want to make dough, the first thing that I need, that is called platter. So I'm going to take out the platter from the almirah. So this one is platter. Okay, and this one is bowl. There is some flour. Now the second step, I'm going to measure the flour because I want to make that chapati for two-person. Okay, so I'm going to measure. So you can, here you can use the word scoop out. Scooping out means मैं यहाँ से निकाल के अपने इसमें डालना हूँ, तो means scooping out. ठीक, मैं हाथों से निकाल रहा हूँ, that is different thing. But if you want to take this out from spoon, okay, from some other things, then you can use the word scooping out. So I'm scooping it out. Okay. Now the third things we need, that is sieve. That is called sieve. Okay. So I'm going to do scooping the flour out into the sieve. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have measured flour for 10 chapati. Okay. I'm going to put it back. Now this process is called sift. So I'm going to sift it. That is sifting. So I'm sifting the flour. Okay. So that is sifting. So I'm sifting the flour. So I'm sifting. Okay. So that is the right word for right situation. Now I will show you something. So when you sift the flour, there is something left over. Okay. You can say this is called bran. चकोर, we can say हिंदी चकोर, ब्रेन. Okay, you can also say impurity means कुछ अशुद्धताएं बच गई. ठीक है, so here is some brand left. Okay, so I'm going to put it in its place. So I have sifted the flour. Now the next step, mix the water. Okay, so now this action is called pouring. So if you use pour, then you have to use pour into. Okay, so pour के साथ हमेशा into आता है. So I'm pouring water into the flour. Okay, if you want to use add, then you have to use preposition to. I'm adding water to the flour. Okay, so I am pouring. I have poured the water. Now this process is called mixing. Okay, so I am mixing it. Okay, so I'm mixing the flour. I need some more water. So I am pouring. I have added some more water to the flour. So that process is called mixing. So I am mixing it. I add some more water to the flour. Okay, so I'm mixing it. Actually, it takes little bit time. Okay, so let me mix it properly. So you can see there is some flour. There is some flour actually stick into my finger. Okay, so that is, we can say here, flour is sticking into my finger. Okay, so I'm going to, so how you can call this, like if you want to remove this. Okay, so you can say I'm going to take some flour and rubbing it. This process is called rub. I'm rubbing it off. Okay, अगर खुद कुछ भी आप निकालो तो you can say I'm scraping it off. Okay, that is called I'm rubbing it off. I'm rubbing it off. So now I have rubbed it off. Okay, this is not a dough. You can't say this is a dough. Okay, ये डो नहीं है पूरी तरह से. This is a rough dough. Okay, अब डो हम बनाने के लिए जो प्रोसेस यूज होती है, जैसे कि दिस इज ए रफ डो, इसको हमें स्मूथ बनाना है. ओके, सो आई एम गोइंग टू स्मूथ इट. ओके, सो दिस प्रोसेस इज कॉल्ड नीड. इस प्रोसेस को कहते हैं नीड. दिस इज नॉट ए डो, दिस इज जस्ट ए रफ डो. इफ आई वांट टू मेक इट स्मूथ, देन आई हैव टू knead it. So I am kneading it, okay, like this. So that process I am pressing it, that process, and while I am processing it, that process is called knead. So I am kneading the flour to make it smooth. Okay, to make it sketchy, smooth, pliable. Okay, pliable means इसको किसी तरह से मैं ढाल सकता हूँ. So I am kneading it. So I am kneading the flour. So if you want it to smooth, okay, properly, then you have to knead it for 3, 4, 5 minutes. Okay, so it take 5 minutes to turn out smooth. So I have kneaded the flour. So you can see here, actually it's soft now. Okay, so it means it is smoothy, soft, and stretchy. Stretchy means when you stretchy means like this, stretchy. Okay, so I have kneaded the flour. Okay, so I'm going to rinse my hand. Rinsing my hand. So now what I need. So this is rolling board. This is rolling pin. Okay. So first I have to turn on the gas. I have turned on the gas. So this is called griddle. So I'm going to put this griddle on the gas flame. Okay. I'm dusting it off. Okay. Now I'm just waiting to heat it. Okay. So it's going to heat. Okay, the griddle is going to heat up. Okay, so now this process, इस तरह से मैं थोड़ा सा बॉल बनाता हूँ. This process is called pinch off. I am pinching off small dough, put it on my between the palm and rolling it out. Okay, rolling it out. Now I'm dusting it off into the flour and flatten it. This is called flatten. So I'm flattening it. Okay, now I'm rolling it. This process is called roll, and putting it on the bubble. This is like you can say bubble. So bubble is coming out. Okay, so I'm flipping that chapati like this, and I'm baking it. So my friend, that's the whole process of making. स्मॉल वर्ड थे, एक्शन वर्ड थे जो आप सीख सकते हैं. सो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई वीडियो अगर आपने कुछ सीखा है अच्छे से. तो मुझे एनकरेज कीजिए वीडियो को लाइक करके. थैंक यू वेरी मच.